Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $71.51. Okay, a clear U pattern is forming at this level and chances are very high that if the price moving above this level, probability of going above a level of 72.14 is there, and there is a pattern forming. So you have to understand there is a higher chances of crossing this level because that is already weak. So we can see the price can go further upside because this level we have seen in day before yesterday, and then we have seen in the month of Feb of 2025. Okay, so if it's sustained above that level, we can see there is a strong resistance also, and the price can go further upside and can touch a level of 73.59, then to a level of 75.37, and then it can move towards $77.63. And suppose if the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of $68.5, there is a chances that it can go further down, and yes, then we can see strong support at 64.23. Okay, see, the price of crude depends on a lot of factors. Dollar index is one of it, and dollar index are inversely related with crude and natural gas. So when dollar index started going down, we see the crude price goes up, and when the dollar index started going up, we see the crude price goes down. Dollar index, what we have seen, it is at a level of $98. Okay, now if the price started sustaining over 98.5, then only we can see it can go further upside, and once the price sustaining over 99.9, it can go further upside, because if it's sustaining above $100, there is a probability of upside. Okay, and once started going above 100.5, we can see there can be uptrend towards $102, and if the price moving of this level, probability of going toward 102.5 to a level of 103.5, and then a further upside. But if started going below this level, chances are very high it will move below a level of 97.5, because that is already tested. So chances are high the price will go further low, and yes, after that the price can move further down towards a level of $96, 96.5 to a level of 95.1, then to a level of 94.8. Coming back on the crude price, what we can see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand. Suppose if the price started sustaining this level, we can see it can go further upside towards 72.14. Okay, and that is already tested, and dollar index is already trying to go downside. Okay, so they are inversely related to each other. So you understand that if the price sustains of this level, it can move towards 72.14, and that is already tested. So the price are higher chances that it can move towards 73.27, and then to a level of 74. After 73.27, $74, and once the price moving of this level, probability of touching 73.67, we can see, then to a level of $75.29. Suppose if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching a level of around after 75.29, we can see it can touch a level of around $75.5, then to a level of 76.16. Suppose if the price sustain above 76.16, chance of touching 76.6 will be there, then to a level of 77.18. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see it will cross a level of $77.8, and then a further upside we can see. But suppose if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $69.52, and from there a further fall we can see towards 69. But if the price started going below this level, it can touch a level of 68, then to a level of around 64.5 after crossing 67, so we can see a further fall.